Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into Lincoln Navigator 2025. The 2025 Lincoln Navigator elevates luxury SUVs with its spacious interior, advanced features, and refined design. Accommodating up to 8 passengers across 3 rows, the Navigator ensures comfort for all occupants. Front row passengers enjoy 24-way power adjustable seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, while Black Label models offer 30-way adjustable seats for personalized comfort. Second row passengers benefit from generous legroom of 40.9 inches, and the third row provides ample space with 36.5 inches of legroom, ensuring comfort for all occupants. Cargo capacity is impressive, with standard models offering 21.6 cubic feet behind the third row and expanding to 107 cubic feet with the second and third rows folded. The extended Navigator L model provides even more space, boasting 36.1 cubic feet behind the third row and up to 121.6 cubic feet with seats folded, catering to those requiring additional storage. A standout feature is the new 48-inch panoramic display spanning the dashboard, integrating instruments, infotainment, and a passenger screen. This advanced system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The Navigator also offers a 28-speaker Revel Ultima 3D sound system, delivering an immersive audio experience. Under the hood, the Navigator is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive performance. The Navigator's towing capacity reaches up to 8,700 pounds when properly equipped, making it suitable for hauling needs. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Lincoln Navigator starts at $101,990 for the base model, with higher trims like the Black Label reaching up to $121,485. These prices reflect the premium features and craftsmanship associated with the Navigator lineup. For a visual overview and more detailed insights into the 2025 Lincoln Navigator's interior, exterior, pricing, and features, consider watching the following video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest automotive releases.